Welcome to the Tiny Tutor. Who am I, Huck?
I'm the Tiny Tutor.
I'm the Tiny Tutor. Who are you? Who's that? This is tutorial number 22. Days of the week. So here's the deal. Huck is learning the days of the week, and we remembered we have a math rap. Math rap. Let's see first how Huck does with the days of the week. Hey, Huck, what's the first day of the week? Then what?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Oh my goodness! Do you know our song? How does our song go? There are seven days in every single week. And if you counted 52 of them, that would be 1 year. It starts with Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday. Just get to Wednesday, then you made it halfway through. Then Thursday, Friday, you hit the weekend. You got to Saturday and through the whole week too. Then back to Sunday. That's right, you just sing the whole thing again.
There are seven days in a single week. If you counted 52 of them, that would be 1 year. Start to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Get to Wednesday, then you made it halfway through. Thursday, Friday, hit the weekend. Get to Saturday and through the whole week too. Back to Sunday. That's in the housing again. I want to sit in the up.
Bye!